Good morning to all. Welcome to our channel Current Affairs for you. So I will record my audio from today onwards with this Boya M1 new mic presented by my friend. So the first question for today is, in which of the following state 18 feet statue of Vajpayee unveiled recently? Options are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh. Option D is correct here. In Himachal Pradesh, 18 feet statue of Vajpayee is going to be unveiled. So on the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 96th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So Rajasthan, in recent news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released the Statue of Peace. Statue of Peace is released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And next, I'll just change this color. Next, West Bengal, Swasthya Sati scheme. Swasthya Sati scheme has been launched by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And Himachal Pradesh, statue of Vajpayee, which is 18 feet tall, has been unveiled. Now let's discuss in detail. So Himachal Pradesh State Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has unveiled an 18 feet tall statue of our farmer Atal Bihari Vajpayee on the occasion of his 96th birth anniversary, and this cost 1.08 crore. Next question. Who wrote the book In Pursuit of Justice, an autobiography? Options are Sudhamurti, Yashwant Vyas, Rajinder Sachar, Shakti Sinha, Shivatanu Pillai. So option D is correct here. Option C, Rajinder Sachar wrote this In Pursuit of Justice, an autobiography, and this has been launched posthumously after his death. This has been launched. So other options, let's discuss. What is the name of the book written by Sudhamurti and Yashwant Vyas, Shakti Sinha and Shivatanu Pillai? So Sudhamurti wrote a book called The Bag of Stories. Grandparents, The Bag of Stories. Yashwant Vyas wrote a book called Boskiana, a new Hindi book on Gulzar. Shakti Sinha wrote Prime Minister Vajpayee, The Years That Changed India. Shivatanu Pillai, 40 Years with Abdul Kalam, Untold Stories. So these are the 4 books written by different persons. Shivatanu Pillai, 40 Years with Abdul Kalam and Untold Stories. Shakti Sinha, Prime Minister Vajpayee, The Years That Changed India. Yashwant Vyas, Boskiana, a new Hindi book on Gulzar. Sudhamurti, Grandparents, The Bag of Stories. So now on the birth anniversary of former late Prime Minister Vajpayee, lot of things are going on. In this video I will cover 2 to 3 points about that, and you remember. Third question. In which of the following district Navaratnalu పేదలందరికీ ఇల్లు, a housing scheme launched? Options are East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakashi, Uttarakhand. So option A is correct here. In Andhra Pradesh, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy launched Navaratnalu పేదలందరికీ ఇల్లు. It's a housing scheme. So in East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Now tell me what happened in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Mega leather park has been started in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, Defense Logistic Production Center as well as Atal Innovation Park and Defense Logistic Production Park. These two started in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Next, in Uttarakashi, Uttarakhand, Snow Leopard Conservation Center has been started in Uttarakashi, Uttarakhand. Next, so a total of 30.90 lakh houses will be constructed by Andhra Pradesh state government by 2024. That's their target. And so Navaratnalu Pedalandarki Illu, it's a housing scheme launched by Andhra Pradesh in East Godavari district. Now next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Odisha? Options are Rajiv Chaudhary, Muralidhar, Hima Kohli, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, Suresh Chandra Mohapatra. So option E is correct here. Suresh Chandra Mohapatra has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Odisha. So now let's talk about Rajiv Chaudhary. Rajiv Chaudhary is the appointed as, Muralidhar appointed as, Hima Kohli appointed as, Sukhbir Sandhu appointed as in the next slide. So Rajiv Chaudhary has been appointed as Chairman of Border Roads Organization Chairman, General Rajiv Chaudhary. Next, Odisha's Chief Justice recently appointed Muralidhar, S. Muralidhar. Next, Telangana Chief Justice recently appointed Hima Kohli. And National Highway Authority of India Chairman Sukhbir Singh Sandhu recently appointed. Next question. DGT, Microsoft and NASSCOM Foundation signed agreement to provide digitized content for ITI students via Bharat Skills Portal. Where is NASSCOM headquarters located? Options are Noida, Delhi, Lausanne, Switzerland, Montreal, Canada. So option A is correct here, in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. DGT, Microsoft and NASSCOM Foundation signed an agreement to provide digitalized content for ITI students via Bharati Skills. Now NASSCOM headquarters located in Noida. So what is this? I will tell you in the next slide. Before that, we will discuss about what is there in Delhi. NTPC headquarters, National Thermal Power Corporation, and Lausanne, Switzerland. WADA, International Hockey Federation. International Hockey Federation headquarters located in Lausanne, Switzerland. Next, Montreal, Canada, WADA, WADA, World Anti-Doping Agency, and also International Civil Aviation Organization. These two located in Montreal, Canada. So DGT stands for Directorate General of Training under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, MSDE, and Microsoft and NASSCOM Foundation. These three together signed an agreement to provide digitalized blended content for ITI students, stands for Industrial Training Students, to increase employability. Next question. What is the name of great modern Urdu writer who passed away recently? Options are Robin Jackman, Rodam Narasimha, John Edridge, Shamsur Rahman Farooqi. Option D is correct here, Shamsur Rahman Farooqi, who was a great modern Urdu poet, Urdu writer. He passed away recently. And the other options we will discuss now. Robin Jackman, who was former England cricketer, passed away recently. Rodam Narasimha belongs to India. He was an aerospace scientist. He also passed away recently. John Edridge, former England cricketer, he passed away recently. And Paolo Rossi Diego Maradona belongs to Italy, and Diego Maradona belongs to Argentina. These two died recently, and these are football players. You just remember the country and the name of the field they are belong to and name of the person. Now, when do we observe International Day of Epidemic Preparedness? Options are 1st December, 27th December, 19th December, 25th December. Option B is correct here. We celebrate Day of Epidemic Preparedness on 27th December. Now tell me, what do we celebrate on 1st December? We celebrate AIDS Day and BSF Rising Day, and also Nagaland's States Liberation Day. Foundation Day, you can call it as Foundation Day, Nagaland's Foundation Day. And now what do we celebrate on 19th December? We celebrate Goa's Liberation Day. Next, 25th December, Sushasan Divas. In English, Good Governance Day, on the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is one more thing about Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question. Who launched a book, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a commemorative volume? So this is one more important thing about Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So there is a statue, there is a book, there is a day. So all these things you have to remember. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a commemorative volume. This is launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now, which book is launched by Venkaiah Naidu and Anandiben Patel? Venkaiah Naidu released a book called O Mizoram, which is written by Sridharan Pillai, who belongs to Kerala. Now, Anandiben Patel, the governor of Uttar Pradesh, she released a book called Bye Bye Corona. This is written by Pradeep Kumar Srivatsava, and Kailash Satyarthi wrote COVID-19, Sabhyata Ka Sanket aur Samadhan. You can remember 3 S. Sabhyata Ka Sanket aur Samadhan. This is written by Nobel Peace Laureate Kaila Satyarthi, which is in 2014. Next, who is the Miss Trans Queen of India 2020? Options are Subhash Sharma, Nidhi Vadera, Shane Soni, Ashraf Patel. So option C is correct here. Shane Soni has been named as Miss Trans Queen of India for 2020. Now, who is Subhash Sharma, Nidhi Vadera and Ashraf Patel? Let's discuss. So Subhash Sharma wrote a book called The Avasthis of Amnagari. Nidhi Vadera wrote a book called Romancing Targets, Get Closer to Selling in 7 Steps. So Ashraf Patel named as Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award for 2020. Ashraf Patel Social Entrepreneur Award for 2020. Next, last question for today. Who is the head of BCCI's new chairman of selectors for next 4 years? So BCCI selected 5 members. Out of these 5 members, who is the head of those 5 selectors? Options are Anil Soni, Chetan Sharma, Avik Sarkar, Vineet Agarwal. So option B is correct here. Former cricketer, Indian former cricketer, Chetan Sharma, fast bowler. Chetan Sharma has been appointed as the head of 5-member selector committee. So next, who is Anil Soni? CEO of WHO Foundation. Next, Avik Sarkar, Chairman of Press Trust of India. Very important. Vineet Agarwal recently appointed as ASSOCHAM's chairman. So that's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you. Share with your friends.